So JM on cars was right. He was 100% right. I just watched one of his most recent videos about what's going on, what's happening in the world of Porsche, and ultimately the good, the bad, the ugly. But I will say that this too shall pass. However, I saw this coming, and with that being said, I had a specific intent and purpose for buying the Porsche that I have, and I'm not worried. And here's why. Because as is the case with pretty much any car purchase, the goal is to get a really good deal, get the best deal you possibly can in consideration for the time in which you buy based on market pricing. And would you look at that? The beauty of Porsche ownership as a parent. The kid leaves garbage in the back seat. But that's also another key component, key part of the story as to why I, in fact, purchased this Porsche Macan GTS 2018 Porsche Macan GTS certified pre-owned, not with the intent of what a lot of folks were doing during the pandemic, post-pandemic recovery with Porsche, and the practicality in this vehicle was a key factor in purchasing and ownership, especially for those of you who followed along with us as we took this car on a 6,000 plus mile journey this summer through Canada and around the country. But stay tuned. I'm going to switch locations here because Bob Marley was kind of like getting it back there, and I don't want to get hit with that copyright strike, so stand by. All right, we're gonna get into this in just a moment, but currently I am at my local Porsche dealer, and I spy with my little eye some new inventory. We're gonna go look at that in just a moment. But we're gonna talk about the current situation. Nice Macan. That's a service vehicle. I like this. I think this is volcano gray. I like these wheels. And this one is volcano gray metallic, 2023. I almost bought a 2019 or 2020 volcano gray with the white and black pebble white interior. But I didn't. I ended up with that. And then this one's new. 911 Carrera T in chalk, 145, 140, or 145, 470. But I would be willing to bet that this is not available for sale and just recently showed up for the customer who ordered it with what looks like lime green, lizard green seat belts. I don't know if it'll pick it up. Interesting choice on the chalk color. I don't know if you guys can see that. Kind of like it. I don't know what color this one is. This is a 2024 Arctic Gray Cayenne 114 300. We got more Macans. This dealership is actually filling out really, really good because there was a time where inventory here was relatively low for obvious reasons. Got a 991.1 Carrera S. Got some new Taycans up here. And might have had a Macan T back there. I like that black Taycan. Actually gonna go over here. No, this is the one I saw on their website this morning. I sent it to my wife. Macan certified with the white interior. I think it's a beautiful spec. Obviously, I have a bias, so I would be gravitating towards this one more so than the red. Not to mention the red would probably draw too much attention from my driving style and habits. But I do like the front lip. I do like the front grille, maybe just because I've seen mine so much. The new grille is kind of like something different, but something that I wish I had were the built-in rails on the roof. Maybe on the next one, which would be crazy to buy another Macan after having one already, but anything's possible. Baby blue Taycan, Scott's Taycan, and a nice little Porsche decal on the Cayenne. But the showstopper, as we get back here, I gotta go talk to Griffin. But the showstopper, oh, okay. This one's got the upgraded brakes. I don't remember the special term for these brakes, but these are the special white calipers. This thing is beautiful. Beautiful car. But this GT3, 992 GT3. I don't know what color this is. Maybe Griffin knows. But whatever color it is, it's amazing. And homeboy is dumped on this GTS. I know you.
Oh,
yeah. What's going on?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I saw you. I was like, man, I recognize.
I saw you.
But you were doing you know.
Yeah.
It looks like a podcast.
What color is this?
It's paint to sample, and it doesn't actually say on the build sheet. My guess is British Racing Green.
I saw this guy the other day, I think. Is it in for service already?
Yeah.
Or is it the break-in service?
It's already had its first break. It's a 22. It's got like 8,000.
Really? Because I swear, like, I saw that they had like a drive-out tag on it. Oh, yeah, he still has a temp tag.
Yeah. What up, dude? Where's that?
Hey, there he is.
Where's that comment? The cabin around. It just pulled in.
What's up, man? How you doing?
What's up? So, as usual, a stop here at Porsche ends up being a little bit longer of a visit, chatting it up with some friends. But side note, got a new video in the works, so I'm going to be bringing you guys a really, really cool exclusive. And here comes the man, right? What you look like? He's peeking through the door. What is he doing?
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
How you doing?
I heard you had something for me.
Oh, man, I got it. All right. Hey, guys. Scott Creed here, Porsche Destin. Want to show you a beautiful car that's, of course, not for everyone, but it's super powerful, luxury, has everything you possibly could want. Let's go ahead and show them. So this is a 2023 Porsche Panamera Turbo S. Over 600 horsepower, over 600 pounds of torque. 4 doors, sedan, the back roll lays down so you have plenty of room for groceries, or if you need to pick up some stuff at Ace Hardware, whatnot. This one's got the chromite black metallic. What's really gorgeous is the interior. Come check this out. It's got the pebble gray interior.
Beautiful.
So this one has about every package on it. It's got all your safety features. It's got your Inno drive, so it will steer and drive for you for a certain amount of time. It will do emergency brake. It also has heads-up display, night vision. It's loaded. So,
And it's got the super cool wing.
yes. Yeah, so this wing here, it will actually drop down. It'll be straight, but it'll also extend out, as you can see it. This also has your clear exclusive design taillights, which is beautiful. It doesn't have the red in it. It has the nice clear.
That's a spec option, right?
Yes. Yep. This also has your sport design exhaust, so it really makes a nice rumble. But this is a perfect car if you have a family. You still want the power, you want the luxury, you want everything in one. Like I said, it's not for everybody. It's a 219 build, so it's beautiful, but not everybody can get it. But hey, we have it. if you know anybody that's interested. So, and here's another one we have, which is probably one of my favorites. It's a 2021 Porsche Spider. It's gorgeous. Got the black on black, black wheels, red seat belts. And what's really cool about this, besides the red stitching and everything, is when you pop this up, the top goes right here and clamps here and here, so you can physically put the top up or down in probably 30 seconds or less.
This is a beautiful spec.
Yeah, and this one is, I think average market's 136. We got it for 128.8. So just a couple of toys that we have. My buddy here always comes by and sees me, so I appreciate it. So, like the stuff that I have out here, I have close to 7 to 8 Porsche certified pre-owned vehicles. Here's one of them. It's a beautiful Cayenne, lovely spec'd out. I have 2 new vehicles over here that's available. One's a Macan T 24 model. T is for touring, so it's in between the Macan and the Macan S, so your suspension is going to be a little bit different. What's really cool is if you can see how the wheels match the mirrors?
Color match.
Right here, yep. So your wheels match your mirrors and your front design. Super nice. And it also gives you a little bit more of a comfortable suspension from the S model. So you get a little bit of both of everything. And then I got the bad boy, the new 24 Macan GTS. It is actually redesigned.
Sorry, I got distracted.
Here's the Cayenne Turbo GT. Yes. So this is the 24 Macan GTS. They changed this. This is the highest model now. You can't get it in the turbo. They actually made the turbos bigger. You get more horsepower in the GTS now.
You know, I was actually I was talking to Michelle about that one you had. You got rid of it fast.
Oh.
The papaya.
Oh yeah. They go fast.
That
they
was
go
a
fast.
beautiful color.
And you know, that's the thing. It's like, I love specking out cars with different colors or whatnot, but it's hard to put a papaya up here for sale and hope that, because you're narrowing down your search. But people see it and they fall in love with it. They fall in love with it.
You almost had me want to trade mine for that.
Well, you know, you got too much good money in yours. But I have a nice Cayman here. I had a brand new Taycan 4S, but we just traded that. I have 2 CPO Taycans.
Oh, so this is a 4S.
This is a 4S.
But it's traded?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's sold.
Okay.
I have 2 silver, one with silver with black interior, one silver with red interior, both certified. Great deals on these. And these are Taycans, of course. I have a Panamera 4 with red interior, sexy. This is a consignment car. We have it's a 2015 911 with 66,000 miles. All the service records been updated and everything's perfect on it. I think it's right at 75,000. And yeah, it's the Carrera S. And of course, this is the Macan S.
Man, this thing is beautiful.
Gentian blue, upgraded turbo wheels, pebble gray interior also. Gorgeous car. We just got that come in last night, actually.
Looks like you might have it leaving here tonight.
Oh yeah, yeah. They go quick. They go quick. And I understand that a lot of people, you know, they come by here and they say, oh, "I wish you had more inventory. You wish you had more inventory." Man, I can't tell you enough. If you're looking for a vehicle, you come see us. Put you on the list. Get your build exactly how you want it. Because if you're waiting for the car to get here available, the chances are very slim. So
how long did it take you to get this one?
We got that in 3 months.
Quick, because
yeah,
the
3 months.
Not, T's pretty new.
This is
That's
my
a new
third T.
offering.
Yeah, this is my third T I got. So the tour, that's the same thing as your touring. So it's in between your base model and your S model. It's going to give you a different suspension, gearing, everything's going to be a little bit different on it, but it still gives you the comfort where you're not jumping up and down. You can use this as a daily driver. So
honestly, a 992T, you can't go wrong, because with a 991, you really wanted to go 4 or GTS
right.
to get the hips, to get the width.
Yep.
But now
Right. Well, it's like that Spider that was in there. It has the same inside feel as a 911, where if you get in a Boxer Cayman at our height, you're scrunched in. The Spider, plenty of room. I got one more. This is a 23 Macan, brand new. It's never been titled. It's been in a loaner service. So what we do is when they come out is we put a 2-year unlimited mile CPO warranty on top of it. So you have close to 6 years of warranty.
Nice.
It's
Because
insane.
the CPO begins at the end of the...
Yes. So basically the 2-year unlimited mile warranty will kick in after the factory warranty ends.
And the factory warranty won't begin until you buy it because it's never been titled?
Well, no. So when we put them in loaners, we punch them.
Oh, okay.
So let's say it has 4 months, but you still have almost full factory warranty on top of a 2-year unlimited mile
you're
warranty.
trading off the 4 months for 2 years unlimited.
Basically.
Yeah,
Yep.
you can't beat that.
No.
can't
And it's unlimited miles, so if you drive a lot, you're good.
Now, the last thing we got to talk about is the future.
Yes.
Because that new dealership's going to be a beast, isn't it?
Yes, yes. So hopefully the next 2 or 3 months we'll be actually wrapping it up where we can actually start it out, and between 12 and 14 months we'll have a Gen 5 store, 2 floors, all glass. It's going to be super exclusive, so when you pull in, if you come in for service, the doors go up, you go in, it shuts. If you want to see what's inside, you have to come inside. There won't be any cars out front. They'll be in the glass and in the back. It's going to be amazing. It's been probably needing this for at least 10 years now. So
y'all may do so far.
Yes.
There's sometimes I come through here, it's like balls packed.
Oh yeah. I mean, half the time I can't even have a place to park. So, but yes, it's gonna be huge. It's on 3 acres, so it's gonna have a lot of room.
Now, technically, we're Porsche Destin. That'll be Porsche Santa Rosa, or
I think it's going to be Porsche 30A. If I'm not, it could be 30A or it's going to be Porsche Santa Rosa Beach.
Gotcha.
One of those two.
Regardless, though, they can contact you, reach you.
Yep. Scott Creed. My cell phone number is 850-687-1034, or you can call Porsche Destin and ask for Scott.
Sweet.
All right. Thank you.
All right, guys. Got a little bit sidetracked and distracted here, but hopefully this ends up being a really enjoyable video for you. But to get back on to the topic that I was discussing earlier is that I didn't buy my Porsche to profit from it. And I think that's what we're seeing right now, are people seeing the result and the fallout as the market kind of shifts and adjusts and almost corrects. It's a little bit of a pivot situation we got going on here. Now, with that being said, I'm actually in the process of adding on to the warranty on this vehicle so that I can drive it essentially worry-free for the next 2 years, not have to have any unexpected added costs coming out of it. And at that point, I will probably then decide to part ways with it, or who knows, maybe it becomes a project car and Flat 6 gets to have their way with it, and we'll see how much power we can squeeze out of it. But with that being said, I still believe that cars can be profitable. Vehicles, trucks can be profitable. Boats, motorcycles, like anything can be profitable, just depending on how you then utilize the resource, the asset or the liability to generate revenue, income, and profit from it. And although this car is not going to sell for more than what I paid for it, it can certainly help produce more than what I paid for it by having it and utilizing it in interesting and exciting and creative ways. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button. And if you want to buy a Porsche, come over here and see Scott. Until next time, you guys take care, be safe. See you real soon. Bye.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow.